Up there goes the tree. Darn. I got a little shot of him. Meanwhile, back on the rails, this is going to be NS95Z. Probably started this video. We can all tell how old I am, huh? I think I might have started this video a little early. Nor can I talk. I started this video a little early to get that helicopter. We'll see what it looks like. I figured 95Z would be a ballast train, and that indeed is what 95Z looks like. They're only running on a restricted signal, so they won't be going fast. Or fast. There's my hound blower stack. I don't know what. The train. That's the reason why I put it in the car. When the train comes. We'll get a good look at the... Looks to be loaded. Y'all have a safe trip. And they do seem to be loaded. I'll get a better angle as they go down the hill. Generally, these ballast trains aren't too long. I think they call this version the candy cane. See the solar panels right there attached to each and every car. You know, maybe one of these days I'll get one of these ballast trains at track speed. I might could catch this thing again if I go up into the Danville district, because they'll have to stop and swap crews and I think get fuel. And the crew's not going to be on duty. The relief crew won't be on duty until about 11:45, so we'll see what happens. Still got P61. It's going to be coming up the hill. I do not know if he's gotten his signal yet. I hope he doesn't until the rear of this train passes. I don't think we're going to see P61 until the rear of this train passes. I hope not anyway. Tell if this sucker's loaded. I don't see P61 anywhere. They were coming up the hill. I see some cars coming around the bend. Can't tell if it's loaded or not. And here comes the rear, so and P61 will even have their signal yet. So it's going to be a little bit. structure designed for 286,000 pounds GRI. Oh, so many bad jokes that come to mind with that, but can't do that anymore. It's fat shaming. There's some, those things have got, some of these got little boxes outside of them. I wonder what that one does too. I've never noticed that. I wonder what those do. It's kind of on line to where the defect might be something having to do with the defect detector. I wonder. Some sort of box to defect detector can scan for those cars. All right, ladies and gentlemen, NS95Z ballast train, and they'll be north, track 1, on approach to Duke, as I'll go pull into the yard and refuel. All right.